Hey guys, so today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up and install your doorbell. When you open your box, you're going to find your easy to use instructions to follow. You're going to find your doorbell. And if you open up your doorbell, we're going to see that on the back we have the little faceplate to go ahead and install our doorbell. We're going to turn it around. It's going to have your 1733, which is going to be your security code for your doorbell. So we're going to go ahead and put that password in 1733 to go ahead and access our doorbell. We're going to have two screws. We're going to go ahead and be able to connect our power from our existing doorbell wiring. I'm going to go ahead and take off this, which you can see I have a white and a blue. So I have a white and a blue wire. These are live, so I'm not going to have them touch each other. Fix this upside down. Pretty low. Pull in. It's one anchor in. Perfect. So last thing we're going to do is go ahead and put this screw in to prevent any tampering. So there you have it. Simple, easy, it's into the power supply. Now I don't have to worry about the batteries running out, and it's all good to go.